Hey everyone, so one thing I forgot to mention is border blocks. So on the border blocks, my recommendation is to cut them a 1/2 inch larger than the size listed in the book. It's totally optional. They can be done with the directions that are in the book, or you can cut them a 1/2 inch larger and it's a little bit simpler, but either way will work totally fine. So the border blocks and the batting for the border blocks would be the same size if you cut them a 1/2 inch larger. All right, so just for instance, so you can see on this fabric here, there's a few border blocks, and I wrote on the side the size. It's just a 1/2 inch larger. It's very simple to do, and it's not always possible. Sometimes you'll get a fabric scrap, and that one you may not be able to. And that's, again, it's okay. It's totally fine. And I created a document for all of the batting pieces, and then I created a separate one that is just for the border blocks. But again, the easiest way is just on pages 4 and 5, where it says border block, cut it a 1/2 inch larger. If you can, and if not, no problem at all, all right? I should say the reason is because then when you tack, it will tack down. So if we get to quilting these and the border blocks and you don't have enough room for the tack down, we would just tape them in place. So again, very simple, not a big deal. If you are stabilizing your fabric like I am, taping them isn't a problem. If you are not stabilizing them, they can fray, and the stitching can pull in a little bit. So having that just a little 1/2 inch extra fabric makes it so that you don't have to worry about any of that. It just makes it a little bit simpler in my opinion, but it can be done either way. If you've already pre-cut, don't worry about it.